I'm a mother, teacher, guide, and a friend, and these are my life lessons. I'm Dr. Neeti Kaushik, and welcome to my channel Nitty Gritty with Dr. Neeti Kaushik.
Actually, our country is such a beautiful country with so many places to visit. Unnecessarily, we keep on thinking, okay, which foreign land to visit? And thanks to Corona, yes, I'll say thanks to Corona, because at least when the international travel stopped, we started visiting the places in the neighborhood, close by, places which are there in India. So, one such place which is close by, which is not very far away from where I reside, is Ramatra Fort. So, today I'm going to take you in Rajasthan. You know, जब हम कहते हैं राजस्थान तो it seems like Rajasthan, रेगिस्तान, desert comes to our mind, barren land comes to our mind. Nobody would view and nobody would think that there can be an area as beautiful as lakeside. Of course, the moment we say lakes, we think about Udaipur. We don't think of any other place in Rajasthan for lakes. Yes? Am I right? चलो आज आपको लिए चलते हैं एक ऐसी जगह जहाँ बहुत ही खूबसूरत लेक है, और ना केवल लेक है, एक खूबसूरत महल, और उस महल में रहने का जो मज़ा है वो एक अलग ही है. सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेक यू through our beautiful stay and lovely stay at Ramatra Fort, which is in Karoli. We went on our car and we went from Jaipur. It took us about 3 hours and 40 minutes. We traveled through Rajasthan Highway number 24, and this particular fort is near Kalsil Dam, Saputra. It was beautiful, it was scenic, because we traveled in the month of December, and that's the time when mustard fields, they were full of yellow, beautiful brightness all around us, and it was pleasure to the eyes. It was so appealing that we felt that wow, what a place, what a way, what a journey. It's a beautiful place between two wild reserves, our own very frequently visited Ranthambore Tiger Reserve, and the second one is Kaldev Ghana Bird Sanctuary, Bharatpur. So between these two wildlife reserves stands, aloof, stands high, Ramatra Fort, Karoli. This particular fort has three attractions. One, of course, the fort itself, because it has been renovated and redone. The second thing which took our breath away was the lake area. We enjoyed thoroughly the boat ride. I'll take you through the boat rides, few glimpses here and there, and it was amazing the way they took us there and the way they showed us the whole area. Third, most importantly, the countryside, for which I have told you. The lush, green, yellow mustard fields, they took our heart away. So there were these three attractions which were around this. To another important thing, there is no disturbance. I felt there were hardly about 4 or 5 couples, because there are not too many rooms. I think there were about 8 or 10 rooms which were there, out of which 2 were suites, and the rest of them were done up rooms. They were nice, they were cozy. I'll not say they were too huge, but yeah, they were comfortable. And the view from the hilltop, it's spectacular. They have these canopies which they have laid up. They are there on the top of each part of the fort, and the scene from there is simply breathtaking. So the couple of pictures which you are going to see now, and the videos, I'll take you through the trip in the lake, the boat ride I should say, in the lake, and also the view from these canopies where we sat down after our breakfast, and we not only had a nap, but we had some beautiful breathtaking scenes which we absorbed inside us, and we came back rejuvenated. Now coming to food. Okay, chalo, let's have a view quickly and then I'll talk about food.
साल भर रहते होंगे बर्ड्स तो यहाँ पे, तो पानी है तो
काफ़ी रहते हैं. अब क्या है कि जो फॉरनर है जो आ नहीं रहे अभी, फॉरनरों को क्या है, ये पक्षी वगैरह शांति एरिया है ना,
हाँ उनको वो पसंद है.
उनको पसंद है.
अपने तो फिरंगी ज़्यादा आते होंगे.
हाँ अपने सभी आते हैं वैसे ब्रिटिश है अमेरिका है।
Well, the food, I said, food was just like home cooked food. And the room was well lit, it was cozy, it was comfortable because December month, end of December, otherwise was cold. Now, coming to the dinner and the next day breakfast, lunch, and dinner, the food is really just like home cooked food. Not very oily, not very spicy. It was light and it was nice. The entire staff of the hotel was lovely. Evenings, they lit the fire. Even if just two of us were sitting in one corner, so they brought the fireplace around us, and light music was on, and we were all thinking, sitting and enjoying the music along with the fire and along with the lovely food and pakoras which were coming. The soup was sumptuous, the food was sumptuous. So everything in and around this place, everything in the hotel, if you ask me, I'll give them 8 out of 10. 2 marks, where am I deducting? I'm deducting those 2 marks. 1, the size of the room was not too big. I felt the size perhaps could have been a little more bigger. Bigger in terms of the moving space. Of course, there was an initial lounge where we were sitting, and then our bedroom and the washroom was also big and spacious, but the bedroom itself I felt was smaller. Wi-Fi is not there, but yes, of course they give you a Wi-Fi device where you can log into your net. But I think if in case you are going for a trip like this, nobody would want a Wi-Fi to be there. The only thing you would want is to either sit and relax with the book in your hand, enjoy the reading of the book, enjoy the nature, the kind of birds coming all around you. Yes, in the morning I was very super excited and I was very, very happy when we were having our cup of tea on the terrace. And while having a cup of tea on the terrace, I realized this is the time I need to make my video. And that's the time when I recorded one of my videos, which was on the siblings. Thanks to my husband who helped me in holding my mobile and as a camera and then getting it recorded for me. So all in all, a lovely place to visit. All in all, you will not experience, a lot of hush and hangama and a lot of people around. But yes, if you need secluded place, if you need a place in isolation, if you need a place where you can rest, you can enjoy the nature, you can read, and you can rejuvenate and come back fresh. That's the place where you can plan to visit Ramatra Fort, Karoli. Thank you so much for being with us in this trip and enjoying the trip as much as we did bringing it for you.